Hi everyone, this is Sonia the RV DJ, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Mubview smart Wi-Fi security camera. So in the box we have the directions. We have a screw-in mount to mount it to a wall. We have the camera itself, charging cord, another mount with hardware, and an adhesive mount. This is probably going to be a super simple install, so let's take a look at the book and see what we have to do. Alright, so there's the camera. I set it up for now facing out the window towards my front yard. I may move it, I don't know. But I couldn't unfortunately show you anything because everything is done through the app and on the phone. So basically you power the camera on and you scan the QR code for the app and you turn on your Wi-Fi and you pair them and you do the settings. So I will insert a couple of photos of what the pictures look like and the settings and stuff like that. So, but that's pretty much it. That is, the pictures look good. I will insert them here. And like I said, I may move the camera somewhere else, but I just wanted to get it set up and going. And yeah, so that is the setup and installation of the Mubview smart Wi-Fi security camera. Picture looks good. It has pan left and right on it. No tilting up or down, or no zoom. It's just left and right. You can see Jim outside. So looks good. It's rechargeable. It's not solar. And that's that. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.